Hello you beautiful lot, my name's Purple and this is the Kotch. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, then hit the little bell for the notifications and we can let you know about the Kotch. Peace, love and light. I hope you enjoy the video. Right, hello you beautiful lot, it's Purple
and Leanne,
and welcome to today's Kotch video. And today, me and the butterfly mage are gonna follow the path of Rushden lakes. So right now, getting our feet nice and wet, and we're gonna start here in Ditchford, right by the road, which is near the 700-year-old bridge, and we're gonna work our back way into Rushden lakes. Come take a journey with us. So once upon a time, Rushden Lake was a gravel pit, and they used to basically quarry for all the limestone that was here, make buildings out of.
A bit like Urchester.
A little bit, but yeah, it's more like Stannic Lakes. Yeah, they weren't actually like quarries; they were just big pits. Yeah, just big holes in the ground, not gorges. And at Urchester, I think they got ironstone out of that one. Yeah, oh, it's well muddy. I love it. Let's go for it. Oh, I love a bit of mud. As we go around this lake, we are basically training our fungus eyes as well. So yeah, we're gonna show you all the funguses as we go around too. Brilliant. Oh, you've got a picture? Oh yeah, look, see? Kissing gate. You know what to do, don't you, sweetie? Yeah. Oh. And stay in it, and that's the one. Got it? Yeah. Lovely.
Lakes and Meadow Trail or Visitor Centre.
Do you think we should go down that way then? Okay. Head to the Visitor Centre and then we can walk round the actual main lake. The actual Scoobridge Lake. So, yeah. Oh look, brilliant. Someone's had a go at hedge laying. And this is what I would love to see all along the motorways, because this stops wildlife going out into the roads, and you'll see less badger deaths, less fox deaths. Yeah, Hedge Lane.
Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie of some sort between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. See, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gambling. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up.
Heron. Yeah, got that. Oh, and this.
What do you want from me?
Oh, well,
Just tell me what you want from me.
what a monstrosity. And you can see that from the Wizard's Tower, can't you? And yeah, we thought we'd come in the back way, because we've come here quite a few times just on our little wanders.
It's more quiet this way.
Yeah, it's a lot more peaceful.
We've got to go over here.
But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandonment. I give myself. Take, do anything you like. So, that's quite mad, because you see, it's letting things get out of control. All sensible people keep things in control. So, actually, therefore, the course of wisdom, what is really sensible, is to let go, is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies sanity.
Do not climb on the logs. Animals live in them. Oh yeah, some. Fungus everywhere. Oh, I like it. A Kotch. Could you see that one? Right, that's enough fungus watching from us, and we're gonna make our way and go get ourselves a coffee. How's that sound, sweetie? Good. Right, see you in a minute. This is Scoobridge Lake. It's cool.
And there's a snake.
And a snake. Oh, what you got there, Leanne? What's that? Oh, wow.
Visiting centre, the Skewbridge Lake, Ski Jump Island, Otter Island, Sunset Screen, Dawn Viewpoint, Delta Pit, and then there's the River Nen. There's one.
You can walk for a whole day in the Nen Wetlands, follow the sculpture trail, explore the wildlife, discover area, or find new perspective from the lakeside viewpoints. The Wildlife Trust charity looks after the Nen Wetlands for wildlife and for people. Skewbridge was a railway bridge close to the site. It was at the skewed angle which gives the lake its name. There you go. In 1960 the lake was used for water skiing, and the National Water Ski Championships were held here in 1964. The owner, John Wills, added a dry ski slope on the land behind you, where this lot now is, but I remember it when I was a child. Yeah, behind us in 1966 for 10 shillings, 50 pence. You could ski for a day on a 3,000 foot run which had a ski lift and floodlighting. And when we were back in Little Oakway Junior School, brilliant, shout out, they used to do school trips and we used to go tobogganing on that one. Frogs. And Rushden Lakes during a pandemic. Dead as a dodo. Yeah, cool.
They got lights on as well. That is cool. I bet they light up.
Yeah, I bet they light up. Cool. Awesome. Right, coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee. Also, this is finishing her coffee. Just want to have a quick look around it, because this is the Nen Wetlands Visitors Centre. So this is the hub for literally the whole wetlands area that runs from basically Ditchford all the way through to Frapston. So yeah, but there's also a couple of little information boards that I just want to show you. So let's have a quick look. Stunning Lakes. Our beautiful 750-acre attraction and nature reserve is the perfect place for all families to recharge their batteries, to heal. Only 5 minutes off the A45. Like I said, there's little spots and they've linked them all up. So come on, Holmes, sort yourselves out, join in. And there's another one. Nen Wetlands is an internationally important destination for wildlife. A common tern. Terns, I know. Down at Stunning Lakes, there's a certain island they're dedicated to just breeding these terns. So yeah, bringing them back into the wildlife, coexisting a little bit. Haha, the Nen Valley. Special for wildlife shaped by people. There you go, the Nen Valley stretches from west of Northampton all the way up to Peterborough. Oh yeah, and they had a railway on it. And I have got a railway video going in. Be up soon. I'm trying to aim for Christmas, where I've walked from Wellingborough all the way through to Frapston. So it should be a 4-part special. Should be good for you all. Yeah, cool. I think we should get a little wriggle on now. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk up the lane there and then round Scoobridge Lake. Right, all tanked up with coffee?
Yep.
Yep. Are we ready to butt?
Yep, to the Skewbridge.
Yes. Let's go have a little wander. Oh yeah, boat up. Oh, as soon as they're open, Leanne, we're out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll walk it one day and we'll take the camera out and we'll get out on that lake. I can't wait. Cool, yeah.
So we're walking.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around this one here. Yeah. Because we came in that one the other time, but if we do that one, yeah, we're onto a winner. Yeah, let's go for it. Forward march. Oh, yep. Leave it alone.
What was it like to wake up after having never gone to sleep? That was when you were born. Just in the same way as you don't focus your attention on how you make your thyroid gland function, so in the same way you don't have any attention focused on how you shine the sun. So then, let me connect this with the problem of birth and death, which puzzles people enormously at first. Because in order to understand what the self is, you have to remember that it doesn't need to remember anything. Just like you don't need to know how you work your thyroid gland. When you die, you're not going to have to put up with everlasting non-existence, because that's not an experience.
Big shout out to Finnegan
Are
Fox.
afraid that when they die,
Love you,
they're
mate.
going to be locked up in a dark room forever.
Can't believe you're gone. R.I.P. Finn. R.I.P. Oh wow, look at all them shrooms. God, did you see all of them? Loads of them.
What was it like to wake up after having never gone to sleep? That was when you were born.
Did you just forget you ain't got your wellies on? Look. Oh yeah. It won't get through it. It's all reed. Oh. A Bernard van. Scoot round it. This viewpoint is in honour of a hero of the Great War, Bernard Van. Lieutenant Colonel the Reverend Bernard William Van VCMC, and born in Rushden on the 9th of July 1987. Wait a minute, 99 years before my year. He received the Victoria Cross for his actions in battle on the 29th of September 1918, but died 4 days later on the 3rd of October 1980 in another battle. He was posthumously awarded the Victoria Cross and the highest, most prestigious award for the gallantry in the face of the enemy that can be awarded to a British and Commonwealth forces. Bernard Van. God bless you, buddy. Oh.
You can see it all from here.
You really can. Oh look, snake. See that one?
Just
Oh look, it's mine. It's my soul pattern. The dragonfly.
We're not the avatars we create. We're not the pictures on the film stock. We are the light that shines through. All else is just smoke and mirrors, distracting, but not truly compelling. I've often said that I wished people could realize all their dreams
That's
and
an
wealth
otter.
and fame, and so
You've
that they
got
could
an
see that
otter.
it's not where you're going to find your sense of completion. Like many of you, I was concerned about going out into the world and doing something bigger than myself, until someone smarter than myself made me realize that there is nothing bigger than myself.
This is what we saw loads of fungus, man. The tree. Yeah. Dried and gone a bit mangly. Peacock tails, I think they're called. And they're long gone. Oh, look. Hi, guys. So let me show you this. Good old Jamie Brady showed me this bit. As long as I can get down here safely. Yeah. These little balls. These little balls here, you can usually... Oh, they've been popped. But they're usually... There you go. See that? And that's how it spreads its spores. A trip back in time. The Nen Wetlands and the Nen Valley are landscapes that have changed significantly in a short period of time. Hundreds of years ago, the land that you see around would have been meadows beside the River Nen, grazed on by sheep and cows. So, plenty of funguses and mushrooms. The gravel extraction occurred during the 20th century, a practice which occurred extensively up and down the valley. This quarrying process is how the lakes were formed, and it's the same for Stannic Lakes. Abandoned for many years, the wildlife reclaimed the area, and now a whole of the Nen Wetlands is managed as a nature reserve for the benefit of both people and wildlife. The meadows are once again grazed by the wildlife trusts, highland cattle and sheep. Keeping the pasture open helps increase the number and types of wildflower you will see in spring.
Our eyes are not viewers, they are also projectors that are running a second story over the picture that we see in front of us all the time. Fear is writing that script, and the working title is I'll Never Be Enough.
The butterfly. I love you, baby. Something like this at the Kotch. Landowners. Anyway, so that's that then, I suppose. We're back round to where we first came in. So I suppose that will do for today, won't it, darling?
Yep, we hope you have a brilliant day.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon.
What she said. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and then hit the little bell for the notifications, and we can let you know about the Kotch. Peace, love and light.
With a touch of Wellingborough.
Take care, everybody.